Hey everyone, this is Kevin Bishop. This is a video presentation for project number 2 of software development for embedded systems. So here's a picture of the Arduino. I've got a very simple setup. The red jumper wire is providing 5 volt of energy, and then we've got the black is heading to ground, and then blue is connecting to pin number 7. And on the other end here, we've got a DHT11 temperature sensor, and it's able to read temperatures in Celsius and returns it back to within like plus or minus, I believe, 1 degree Celsius. And basically the setup that we've got here and the code is we have a timer. It's using Arduino's timer 1. And basically I've got it set up here to have an interrupt occur every 10 seconds. And basically the way this interrupt occurs is it just sets this read temperature flag to be true and increments the observation count. And then when that read temperature flag is true, it basically just reads from the DHT temperature sensor, prints it out in a comma separated value format, and then sets the flag to false until the next interrupt service routine is called again. And so the plan is I've got it sitting here now out in room temperature. So I'm going to reset the Arduino and just show you how it's printing. So every 10 seconds it's going to print out a current reading in, I converted it to Fahrenheit. So here you can see its first observation was 71 degrees Fahrenheit approximately. And since this has been sitting at room temperature, we'd expect it to have the same number again. So there it is. So next I'm going to place the Arduino in the refrigerator and monitor as the temperature drops down and then remove it back again. Okay, so I've placed it in the fridge now. I've got a bit of a hacky setup here because my cable is only so long, but basically I'm going to close the refrigerator door now, and we should expect to see the temperature readings fall on the Arduino. So we can see it is indeed already falling even with the door open. It's fallen from 71 degrees to 66. It's heading down now to 64. And we should expect to see it over the next 5 minutes, which is how long I'm going to keep it. Probably drop into the 40s. Definitely above freezing, since it's not a freezer, it's just a fridge. So I'm going to stop now the video. Okay, so time's elapsed, and I had it in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then I pulled it out, left it at room temperature again for 5 minutes, and I copied and pasted the readings into Excel, the Ubuntu version, and you can see how the temperature drops. It bottoms out around mid-40s, mid-upper 40s, and then goes back up to room temperature. And as you'd expect, the temperature falls more rapidly at first, but then it slows down. And then similarly here, it rises rapidly and then slows down at the end, which is what we'd expect since we know that temperatures kind of asymptotically approach their environment temperature. So that's fitting, that's as we'd expect. And overall, that concludes the video.